Today we talk about how can you enable challenges notifications on your Samsung Health app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on my page down here. So when you click on my page, it's going to take us to this list, and all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. You click here on notifications. So then when you click on notifications, it's going to take us to this list. You go down here and you come here to challenges. You click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us. That's main challenges notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.